As to jumbo deals in Europe, well, I think one of the interesting things is that for a period of time last year, if you look at the area that you could see a jumbo deal happening is likely to be in the REITs. There aren't necessarily quite as many sort of private concentrations of portfolios in the same way as in the US. With a few exceptions, but when you look at the REITs currently, they're trading at quite significant discounts, and that's seen been a fairly radical decline in pricing there. So those kind of discounts are pretty significant. However, the environment for effecting a takeover in the public markets in the UK has become harder and harder. Hostile is extremely difficult, and the risks of making an offer and someone counter-offering are very high, even in a non-hostile. So that's created a certain barrier to those types of deals. So maybe not structurally in Europe likely to see. And of course, because we're a collection of countries, ownership is a little bit more fragmented than in the US, but I'm sure there'll still be some, and who knows what. Coming back to the example of Blackstone, who knows what they'll do with Logicor at some point. That might be a very big portfolio trade, or it might be an IPO. So we'll find out at some point soon, I guess.
I should be able to ask them in a session on logistics on Thursday.
Right, well, send us all the answer, won't you?
Yes.